In this video, I'm going to show you how to change cover photo on Facebook without posting. Whether you're going for a subtle update or just want to keep things low-key, I've got the solution right here. Start by opening the Facebook app. When you're on your main feed, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Now, tap on your profile picture. Next, tap the camera icon on your cover photo. Here, you have some choices. You can create an avatar, change your cover photo, upload a photo, or select one from Facebook. You can also make a cover collage. I'll choose Upload Photo. This will show you pictures from your gallery. Pick the one you want for your cover photo. Below, there's a box that says, Share your update to newsfeed. Just uncheck it. If you do this, the change won't show up on your timeline. After that, click Save and then refresh. As you scroll down, you won't see a new post on your timeline. And this is everything. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.